Welcome to DigiBite. After verifying and creating your account, you can log into DigiBite and start your teledentistry journey. On the home page, you have three main options. Request a consultation. Here, you can request either a live consultation or submit a request for review. My Consultations, where you can view all upcoming and past consultations, and View Profile, where you can view and update your profile information. To access more options, you can navigate to our side menu by clicking the three lines in the top right corner of the home page. Here, you can read through our frequently asked questions, learn more about us, find a participating local dentist in your area, or contact us, as well as sign out of your account. If you are here to request a consultation with one of our licensed DigiBite dentists, start by clicking on Request a Consultation on the home page. After a few introductory questions about the type of consultation you are looking for, live or request for review, and who the consultation is for, you will complete a brief oral health questionnaire. After completing the questionnaire, you can upload photos and documents for your dentist to review ahead of a live consultation. If you don't have any available at the moment, you can always upload photos and documents later in My Consultations. For a request for review, we ask that you upload a set of 5 photos of your mouth so that your dentist can have all the information they need to provide you with the best recommendation and treatment plan. After uploading photos and documents, you will schedule your live consultation with a DigiBite dentist licensed in your state. Request for review will skip this step since a dentist will review your case and submit feedback and recommendations within 48 hours. Finally, complete payment for your consultation. A live consultation is $60 and a request for review is $30. But in many cases, the cost will be fully or partially covered by your insurance. You will only need to pay your portion of the cost. Check with your insurance company for coverage. To review details of your upcoming or past consultations, click on My Consultations from the home page and select the consultation. An upcoming consultation will have all the details you provided when you requested the consultation. If you need to edit any of the information, upload additional photos or documents, or cancel or reschedule the consultation, you can do it all here for up to 24 hours before a live consultation. Requests for review can be edited up until dentist begins working on your case. When it's time for your live consultation, click the Enter Exam Room button on your consultation details page from Upcoming Consultations, and you will start your live video call with your DigiBite dentist. Following a consultation, your dentist will complete the report and you will be notified when the report is ready for you to view. Always within 24 hours of your live consultation and within 48 hours of submitting a request for review. You can also view and download your report by navigating to past consultations and selecting the consultation. You can also download your ADA claim form here. This is purely for your own records. You do not need to submit to your insurance company since you already paid for your portion of the consultation costs. DigiBite will handle the rest. Thanks for using DigiBite. After your consultation, please take the time to complete our survey about your experience. This will help us improve our product and your experience in the future. Download DigiBite today at your App Store or on Google Play.